Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and it's about that time. The markets, they're about to close. A new month is here. A new week has begun. That's right, it's a Monday. And me, if you're wondering, I'm doing fine, despite the Chelsea loss and, more importantly, the Mets World Series exit. But we'll talk about that a little bit later, possibly over a drink, because it's officially happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks trading higher this Monday afternoon after posting their best month in 4 years as investors eye earnings and a heavy week of economic reports. But first, we turn overseas as China's official PMI coming in at 49.8 for October, unchanged from the previous month, but still missing expectations calling for 50 even. Meanwhile, Visa, a major market mover today after the credit card company reported earnings that missed on revenue, but also slightly topped expectations. Visa also announcing the purchase of Visa Europe for about $18.2 billion and also authorized a new $5 billion share repurchase program. Speaking about the United States on the economic front here, we had October ISM manufacturing coming in at 50.1, slightly beating expectations of 50, but posting a fourth straight monthly decline, while construction spending rose 0.6% in September. Now you team that with a strong session for Chevron, the U.S. dollar trading mildly lower against its counterparts, crude oil futures down about 1% at $46.14 a barrel, and gold futures settling down about $5.50 at $1135.90 a troy ounce, then you have yourself a session where 5 stocks have advanced for every decliner over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the first full trading session of the week and the month of November as well. Now in corporate news, HP Inc. and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise beginning to trade as separate companies today following the split of Hewlett-Packard into two. And for more corporate reports, check out our earlier Market Movers report with our very own Lelda Smeets. And with that stated, I'll address the following. Yes, the World Series is over. Yes, the Mets won, but if anybody would have told me back in April, even in June, July, that the Mets would be in the World Series, I'd say you're crazy. So they did a great job. They were the underdogs, and they went as far as they could without winning. So, let's go Mets in 2016. And because of that, I take this wonderful jersey out of retirement. For those of you that don't know and are Mets fans, this is Mad Lawton's jersey that he wore during the game right after 9/11. So it's pretty cool, right? So I wear it, I put it on, and I say, let's go Mets. Couple hundred, well, 100 plus more days until spring training. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.